Hey gang, Mandla here at FX Link, currency trader and your currency coach. Thank you for joining us on this week's Sunday's market preparation video. Well, in this week's video, we are going to take a look at two pairs, NZD USD and Aussie dollar. One potential short opportunity and one potential long opportunity. So without me wasting much of your time, let's get to it. As I go to the lower time frame, which is the daily time frame, only on the daily time frame I look for the direction of the market, where the market is heading, to have a trading bias, whether I'm going to go long, short, or I'll be standing aside for a while until the market decides what to do. So the market has been consolidating for quite a while now, okay? For months and months and months we have been let me start at this low. Have been consolidating at this support level. We went up, classic accumulation and distribution phase of the market. Then we once again consolidate, okay, consolidate. Then we got down back to our support levels right here, okay. Then in order for me to identify a trend, I need to see a 3 drives pattern. By 3 drives pattern, I need to see an extension, a pullback, and another extension, okay. So in this case, we had a breakout of this consolidation level right here, okay. After having a breakout, then we have a retracement back to structure right here. As you look back to the past, you would see structure, and then we have another extension, which gives me a sign that the market is willing to extend further and trend downwards, who knows where. But after identifying that the market is most likely to go further downwards, I would look for a potential halt where I think the market will be having some trouble to penetrate at, and the next level of support would be right at 66.90s, and that is almost 88 pips further away from where we penetrated at, which is 68.27. So I'll be looking for a classic pullback trade, okay. Now that we see the price penetrated these support levels right here, I'll be looking for price to at least retest our support levels right here, giving us a structure swap or structure shift, okay. By structure shift, I mean that when the market starts to trend, it tends to break our previous resistance levels and then give us a potential support level. In this case, we have broken our previous support levels, and now I'm looking for price to act as a magnet and pull back and act as a potential resistant over to those levels of structure. Now, as I go down to my lower time frame, which is my 4-hour time frame, what I'll be looking for is a potential kill zone. As you can see, it's pretty big. My kill zone would come, okay, would come from our previous support right here to our resistance right there. Let me change the color of that one. Okay, so if price does eventually pull back to this level of structure, then any type of entry technique that I'm gonna use will still be valid, as price came to our previous levels of resistance, previous levels of support, excuse me, and I'll be taking a short opportunity right here, okay. If I take my Fibonacci retracement from our previous swing high to our current swing low, you can see we have a 50% retracement over at our resistance levels right there. If I go to my 1 hour time frame, okay, if I take this Fibonacci extension to invert it back to our previous extension, back to our previous impulse, and back there, you would notice our Fibonacci inversion, 1618 inversion, aligns with that 50% retracement we got on a higher time frame. Our 127 extension inversion aligns with our 382 retracement that we had on the 4 hour time frame. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna narrow my kill zone down and start it from this high right here and take it back right there. Why? I have some Fibonacci confluence lining over to those resistance levels right there. All I need right now is a double top, lower low, lower close, in order for me to enter next bar market. So if price does eventually hit our kill zone right here, I'm going to look for a double top. Okay, I'm going to look for something like this, double top, then a lower low, lower close, in order for me to enter short on this particular trade. All right, then I'll be entering short in anticipation of a retest back down to this structure level. Aussie for quite a while has been trending downwards. By trending downwards, I've been saying I mean that we have a classic 3 drives pattern and follow up from there, right? We have extension, pullback, extension, pullback, another extension. This was a potential halt level that I was thinking that price would eventually halt at, and then give us some type of consolidation right here. As you can see, price is looking to consolidate, giving us a triangle pattern. Okay, if I zoom in much more, I would expect price to do something like this. Okay, then eventually break out, probably back to this structure level right there. Okay, you can see right here, as soon as price came down, okay, right here, we began to have a triple bottom, okay, with a bullish divergence. So triple bottom, bullish divergence, and then price broke up to this structure level right here. What I'm gonna do is look for a 618 retracement from our swing low right here back to our swing high right here. If I zoom in, you would see our 618 retracement comes at 73.57. I'm gonna have to look for a sign that price is waning as soon as it hits our 618 retracement, and our kill zone will be from our high from our low right there to this price level right there. Okay, then our potential position would look something like this, probably a 40 pip risk on this one, and a potential 50 pip reward on this one. A 1:1 risk to reward. It's not bad, it's not that bad, but I would advise you to be cautious and look for extra confirmation on this type of trade before entering into this one.